Today I want to tell you how to stop the hiccups. I just had the hiccups like a few minutes ago, and then I'll show you how to get rid of the hiccups. So first, you just hold your breath, go like this, and do that for like, give or take 10 seconds. And then if it doesn't work, drink some water and then try again. And then it should work. So that's how you get rid of the hiccups. So this advice helps you. Please leave a like, share notifications so from anything I upload. Jamal, King Jamal, out. Hey.